Welcome to Bike Update. Today we take a deep dive into the Royal Enfield Scram 4401A bike that blends adventure DNA with everyday practicality. If you're looking for a motorcycle that's rugged yet city-friendly, this might be the perfect choice. Let's break it down. Design and build. The Scram 411 shares its foundation with the Himalayan, but has a more urban-friendly design. The front 19-inch wheel replaces the Himalayan's 21-inch, offering better maneuverability in city traffic. The simplified bodywork, offset speedometer, and minimalistic tank shrouds give it a distinctive Scrambler look, making it both stylish and functional. Engine and performance. At its heart, the Scram 411 packs the same 411cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine from the Himalayan. With 24.3 bhp and 32 Nm of torque, it delivers a smooth yet punchy ride. The 5-speed gearbox is refined for daily use, making it ideal for both urban commutes and occasional off-road adventures. Ride and handling. The bike's 19-inch front wheel, paired with long travel suspension, ensures a comfortable ride over potholes and rough patches. The slightly reduced weight compared to the Himalayan improves handling, while the relaxed ergonomics and upright riding position make long rides enjoyable. Features and technology. The Scram 411 keeps things simple yet functional. It gets a semi-digital instrument cluster with trip navigation, a halogen headlamp for classic charm, and a robust chassis for durability. There are no fancy electronics, but that's exactly what makes it a raw, engaging ride. Verdict: who is it for? If you love the Himalayan's rugged spirit, but want something more versatile for the city, the Scram 411 is a great pick. It's practical, stylish, and adventure-ready without being too intimidating. Whether you're a new rider or an experienced one, this Scrambler fits right in. That's it for today's bike update. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle insights. Ride safe, and see you next time.